There are many questions. What are the markings on its surface? Rivers flowing there? Is there life on Mars? We seek answers through the small vehicles moving around there. Spirit, opportunity, and curiosity provide us a brand new insight on Mars. Apart from Venus and Mars, mission satellite of Jupiter. It flew through the thin rings and revolved around Jupiter for over 8 years. The striking features on Jupiter are the atmospheric bands and the great red spot. Galileo revealed interesting information about the satellites. Ganymede with a thin atmosphere. Callisto with a good number of pits on its surface. Io with volcanoes. And Europa shows traces of water and is therefore the target of future explorations. Many small satellites are hiding in the glare of this largest planet. Saturn is the next target. The rings offer a beautiful sight as we approach Saturn. Saturn also has a man-made satellite, Cassini. Cassini moved through the rings Voyager, which was launched in the 1980s, flew past Saturn to reach Uranus and provided close-up shots. Later, it moved past Neptune, too. There are thousands of small bodies like the satellites of giant planets and the asteroids. Among them, comets are the most impressive. Comets are popularly called dirty snowballs. Their fragile rocky structure is held together by ice and frozen carbon dioxide. As they approach the sun, the material evaporates and envelops it like a cloud. This is pushed out by the solar wind that gives the appearance of a tail. As they get nearer, more material evaporates and the tail seems to grow longer. Comet Halley returned punctually in 1986, providing the best opportunity to launch 4 space missions. Subsequently, that success saw several missions targeted to comets. Deep space, stardust, and deep impact are some of them. Deep space moved past comet Borrelli. The spaceship Stardust moved into the tail of Comet Wilt, collected the dust to return to Earth. deep impact released a probe which crashed into the comet Tempo and created a crater. Many chemicals necessary for the life processes have been identified in comets. The contribution of comets to the origin of life on Earth is being studied. Having studied the farthest objects in our solar system, let us now return to the nearest star, the Sun. The white disk that you see is called the photosphere. Its brilliance is the result of nuclear fusion reactions in the core of this sphere. Looking at the Sun directly is dangerous. However, Mother Nature very kindly provides excellent opportunities for trouble-free observations. This is when the Moon covers the Sun, an unforgettable sight indeed. This phenomenon is known to us from time immemorial as the solar eclipse. This is
talking the back.
Such total solar eclipses reveal the structure of the Sun. The outermost, corona, the inner pink-colored ring, chromosphere, and the photosphere. Here the photosphere appears dark because the Moon has covered it. While the astronomers knew the truth, laypersons believed in mythological legends. Rahu, a fierce demon, swallowing up the Sun. A dragon killing the Sun. Wolves attacking the Sun, and so on. Several spaceships have targeted the Sun. Soho sends day-to-day images. Ulysses, Yoko, and Inode are more recent ones. The Sun is a star, one among the thousands we see in the sky. How was it formed? It started as a slowly rotating, huge mass of gas. Matter contracted to the core due to gravitational force. The cloud settled in to a disk. The central mass got hotter and hotter. When it was sufficiently hot to trigger nuclear reactions, energy was released. It became a star. In the meanwhile, the disk created blobs, which turned into planets. Our solar system has very tiny members too. Let us see where they are. On any dawn, a casual glance of the night sky shows moving streaks of light. Tiny bodies enter the Earth's atmosphere and burn up in the air. These are called meteors. Sometimes you see a large number of them. This is called a meteor shower. Occasionally, larger bodies crash on the Earth. They can create a crater, which eventually turns into a lake. Some can also pierce a terrace and disturb an otherwise peaceful home. Some of them explode in mid-air. Associated shock waves can shatter the glass panes of windows and chop off trees. The danger of larger impacts lurks in the form of rocks that hover around too close to the Earth. Such potential killer asteroids are named near-Earth asteroids and are under constant vigil. Quite interestingly, there are a large number of them at a safe distance beyond Pluto. 7. Eris, Varuna, and Quam are as large as Pluto. This led to a debate on the status of Pluto as a planet and resulted in a revised definition of planet. Thus, Pluto, Ceres, Eris, and many more were classified into a new category of dwarf planets. That's not all. Pluto with 5 satellites. Eris with 2. The list is growing. With larger and more sophisticated telescopes keeping a watchful eye, a large number of smaller bodies have been discovered. It is expanding our knowledge of the boundary of the solar system. That takes us back to the question: how vast is the solar system? We still do not have an answer. Spaceships launched in 1979-80 successfully flew through the solar system. The duo, Pioneer and Voyager, have touched the edge of the solar system. Any information we get from them may be a surprise. Then, will we be able to fix a boundary for our solar system? Let us wait and see.